Ladies and gentlemen, we're having a look at Google Sheets and Apple Numbers today. We want to know, out of these two document management tools, which one you should be using. Okay, Google Sheets, a very strong competitor in the industry, gives you real-time collaboration, advanced data analysis, custom visualizations, automations, integrations, accessibility, a really good cost, and very versatile use cases. So just to break that down, okay, Google Sheets allows you to collaborate in real time with as many members as you need. It also has those powerful tools like pivot tables, the query function, conditional formatting. You can create macros which will automate even the most complex data tasks efficiently. And then you can create dynamic charts, pivot visualizations, and interactive dashboards that can transform all of your raw data into clear, more actionable business insights. You got all of a Google Apps scripts and the built-in macros to automate all of your workflows. You can pretty much go to the Google App Store or the integration store. You can go and integrate pretty much anything within Google Workspace. The cost. So it's cloud-based and it's accessible on any device as long as you have an internet connection, and it is free for individual users, making it fantastic for any remote or hybrid teams that need accessibility but are on a budget. It's perfect for making marketing campaign tracking, financial modeling, sales consolidations, project management dashboards, and pretty much any real-time reporting which is necessary across all of your teams. Its competitive and market advantages. Let's have a look over here. Speed and performance, definitely. It's quick, it's accessible. They're cloud native collaboration. This means that if you are working in a team, it's great because there's no desktop app and you save stuff locally. Everything is already synced in the cloud. It's great. It works across web, Android, iOS, and it integrates with Google Drive for file management and sharing. You've got the AI and the smart features which are now being incorporated. And as part of Google's workspace, Google Sheets is actually trusted by millions of businesses worldwide, from agile startups to global enterprises. They are powering data-driven decisions at every type of scale. It's easy to use, it's got powerful automations, and ultimately, it's got unmatched collaboration. So the lesser known Apple Numbers, right? Apple Numbers offers professionally designed, highly customizable templates for budgets, invoices, reports, and this enables you as a user to create visually stunning spreadsheets effortlessly. It supports 2D, 3D, and radar charts that update dynamically with data changes, plus an audio representation with voiceover on iOS, iPad OS, and this is for accessibility. It has intuitive pivot tables for trend analysis, plus powerful functions like XLOOKUP and regex for flexible data manipulation, and it's compatible with Microsoft Excel files. So if you need to import or export, you can do that. It also gives you real-time collaboration with controlled editing permissions, automatic syncing via the iCloud Drive, and easy sharing across your Mac, iPad, and your iPhone. Having a look over here, first of all, Numbers actually hides complexity until it's actually needed, right? Which makes it accessible for casual users while still having powerful and professional tools. Unlike some of its competitors like Excel, which has got a very dense interface, there's a lot going on. So if you only need the basics, it only shows you the basics, and that's it. If you need more advanced features, it gives you those advanced features. Now, unlike grid-bound competitors, Numbers actually allows free-form placement of tables, charts, and media, enabling creative and presentation-ready documents. It's got deep integrations with Mac OS, iOS, iPad OS, FaceTime, and Messages, streamlining your workflows and team communication in an Apple-centric environment. It supports importing and exporting of Microsoft Excel, CSV, and TSV formats, handling up to 1 million rows and 1,000 columns per table, which is suitable for large data sets. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So many options to choose from. The key takeaway here is to go and try the software for yourself and see what actually works in a real life scenario. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.